Let's get medical, medical. I wanna get medical. Let's get a medical. Let me hear your body talk. Your body talk. Good morning, Philippines. Dubai, Philippines. Oh my goodness. I feel dizzy. I feel dizzy every time I'm in the car. Why? Let's get physical. Let's get animal, animal. What again? Animal. Let's get a medical. Let me hear your body talk. For the
You went before America? Huh?
no, I've never. I wanted to. Let's go. I thought it's cold and now I feel hot. Oh my goodness. That's why I wore this one. I thought it's very cold today. What no no? Let's get physical, physical. Dito po kami, dito po yung ano, dito yung pag nagpapamedical ka, dito yung place na to. Hindi ako pwedeng layo. Don't you want me like I want you?
Your WhatsApp?
Huh?
Your WhatsApp?
I have WhatsApp. You didn't,
What is your WhatsApp name? Daisy?
yes.
Or I think something, no? You have,
Opposite. YSIAD.
why?
YSIAD.
This one?
What's this?
Yes, this one.
No. What's the number?
Last 37?
My WhatsApp number
This is your photo?
Yes, I know that's mine, but this number is no more already.
Then you send it to I.
Kuya Michael, okay, I will save the number 058.
I put Daisy already.
058 901
This one?
901
Always change it.
058
This one.
because
Maybe
Madam changed it. 901 1386. Okay, that's the WhatsApp. New WhatsApp.
every week changing, huh?
Because Madam likes the new number and then the old number is not active anymore, so I changed it. Oh my God, nosebleed ako, Kuya Michael. My goodness talaga. Nosebleed. No. Yes, I receive your WhatsApp now. Nosebleed, Kuya Michael. Here my passport. Let's go home. Di ba? Mayroon pa tayong 1 month, guys. Oh my God. Ano ba to?
Yeah, they have.
No, it's fine.
They put it, no?
Yeah, no. Where are you going to sit?
The number.
No. Where are you going to sit?
The number. A number.
Pink line. Follow the pink line.
What? Anay pasita.
One line, come from. Let me just sit. Don't follow the crowd. Just sit inside. No? Saya hat boleh. Tahu pulang aku dengan kita itu sama ada. What's your number, madam? School? Big or no? Ate, have there pala ko na? What time come? 4 o'clock. Oh, it's your Oh, it's your medical. Okay. David, come. Why are you sitting there, madam? You don't know? See, here, madam, here. There you go. This one, even you sit there one day, she will not call you. Sit here. What's your topic? Oh, girlfriend. Finish? I'm finished. You're finished? Explain.
Maybe the first was OXT.
Oh, that explain that.
The first was OXT.
This one, finish?
1,000. 1,000. Renew.
This one you have brought with madam, but who can do this one, madam? Yes, madam. Just wait, madam, give you.